New at 6, public health experts reacting to a massive data dump. The governor says Quest Diagnostics released nearly 75,000 COVID-19 test results in a single day, some of those dating back to April. 8 on your side investigator Masa Saidi is live in the Tampa News Center with the new concerns surrounding this. Masa?
So, Stacey, Quest is one of the biggest names in coronavirus testing. And now that the state has cut ties with them, experts say we need to name a replacement fast.
Tonight, new concern after Florida accuses Quest Diagnostics of illegally dumping thousands of backlogged COVID-19 test results. In a statement, the company apologized for the technical issue, saying that it, quote, did not affect or delay reporting of test results to providers and patients. Dr. Jay Wolfson is a professor of public health at USF.
This really threw a wrench into everything, and the health department didn't have case tracing information to go into communities and follow up. If this is happening with Quest, it may be happening with others.
Tonight, as more teachers and students are back in the classroom, Florida has severed all ties with Quest. Dr. Wolfson worries about the state of testing here.
How important is it to have a real-time snapshot of this virus?
It's critically important, especially as we're moving into the flu season and a likely surge season, whether they're in school districts or in business districts or communities. Go in, contain them before they become forest fires.
When asked about Quest replacement, Governor Ron DeSantis said the state actually had more success with upstart labs.
And there's a lot of these companies that are making huge amounts of money. The problem is when you're sloppy with it, it ends up impacting people's lives.
And the hope for Dr. Wolfson and really everyone is that we do not see a surge and a sudden demand for more testing. Tonight, we are still working to learn what specific lab or labs will take the place of this testing giant. Live in the Tampa News Center, Masa Saidi, 8 on your side.
And if you have something you would like Masa to investigate, you can call our helpline at 1-800-338-0808.